Alright guys, welcome back, and today meron tayong panibagong update dito kay Xpoints sa Xstocks. And basically, the agentic era is already here. Now, nandito na yung agentic era of finance. And if you don't know what agentic era of finance is, basically, it's an autonomous system where hindi mo na kailangan ng mga prompts for just an AI to do some stuffs. No? Pero kumbaga, independent na nag-work yung system. So yun nga, para mas maintindihan yan, you can check it out here. Tara na, let's go! Ayan guys, so ayun nga, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, agentic describes the capacity to act independently, and basically the agentic era of Xstocks is here. Nandito na finance na siya. Kumbaga, independent na ito. Patuloy nito. Agents meet tokenized equities. One prompt is all it takes for Reclo to buy your favorite Xstocks, deploy it to your liquidity pool, and get market exposure, yield, and Xpoints with built strategies. Okay? Only with Xstocks, only on BuyRail. Basically, ayun nga guys, diba? Agentic era na. Kumbaga, ayun nga guys, no? Agentic era na nga tayo. Nandito na yung agentic era ng finance. So basically, more on systematic na. Okay, more on independent na yung system nitong pinapakita ko sa inyo. Okay guys, okay? So, let's go back to Xstocks. So, punta tayo sa Xstocks. And balik muna tayo sa Xstocks and let's see, no? I-check muna natin kung ano nga ba yung pinakabago sa kanya. Basically, more on this one, di ba? And tong Xstocks, accept nyo lang yan, guys. Again, guys, unlock your tokenized equities, capture new market. So basically, kasi nga, di ba, guys, when it comes to equities, when it comes to stocks, US stocks, there are a lot of barriers na nangyayari. Okay, napakadaming barriers. And hindi natin gusto yun when it comes to that. So basically, right? If you check the cons of assessing US equities, napakadami na. So transaction costs, market data fees, currency conversion, and currency risk, tax implication. Basically, there are a lot of barriers na nagiging hindrance when it comes to us assessing or accessing the US equities. But with Xstocks, okay, with Xstocks, pwede mo nang ma-unlock yung tokenized equities and makaka-capture mo pa yung new markets. Basically, they are making it easier for us to access stocks. Okay? Yung global stocks, guys. And, yeah, guys, if you don't know, we've reviewed Xstocks before. No, meron na, check na natin siya, guys. And, basically, you can check it out there if you don't know what Xstocks is and Xpoints is. And basically, tokenized equities are scaling fast, no longer a demo. Tokenization has moved from experimentation to infrastructure. So basically, yun nga. And yun nga, it's agentic era na. Okay, we're already at the agentic era of finance. So make sure na makasama kayo, di ba? Kumbaga, again, this is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice. Make sure to do your own research pa rin. And again, this is just an informational video, okay? So, yun na, try natin, apply, integrate natin, guys. Lagyan na kayo dito, guys. And syempre, Xpoints. Okay? You can turn your points into rewards. Ha? Pwede yan, guys. So, punta tayo dito sa dashboard. Balik tayo sa dashboard, guys. Xstocks. And, guys, yung Xpoints po is available na. Ito, Xpoints available na po. So, you can, may referral din tayo dyan, guys. You can check out, okay? You can earn points and earn rewards by trading stocks or Xstocks, staking Xstocks, and basically doing stuffs here on Xstocks. Kumbaga, pwede rin kayong mag-refer. Okay, may mga referral din yan, guys. Nagsisimula tayo na mag-refer. We're just starting out our referral dito kay Xstocks, so make sure to join. Okay, pwede kayong mag-refer ng friends. And syempre, holding Xstocks, lending Xstocks, and providing liquidity. That way, you can earn Xpoints. No? So, kung ano naman yung Xpoints, guys, whether you're trading, referring friends, or completing exciting quest, you'll earn Xstocks or Xpoints that grow with your activity, the more you participate, the more you unlock. So thanks to multipliers like X-Boost and our community-driven referral program. So basically, yun po yung X-Stocks. Now, pagdating dito guys, meron din silang mga products like this one, ito. Makikita natin yan dito, like ABTX, PALEX, ECNX, and basically a lot of stocks are available here. Meron din Coinbase, and meron kayo makikita dito, Avgo, Apple, nandito rin ang Apple stocks. Basically, McDo, nandito na rin guys. Again, napakadami nilang products na available dito. Up to you na kung paano siya i-manage. O kung paano mo siya itatry or kung i-check out mo ba siya or hindi. Okay? And yun nga guys, meron sila ditong news. Okay? If you want to be updated, diba, sa kanilang mga future plans, then documentation, ito na rin. And yan guys, so you know, X-Stocks now live at on Mantel via Fluxion Network. And of course, hindi rin mawala din yung kanilang itong agents with tokenized equities. Ito yung kumbaga nasa agentic era na tayo guys. And again, ito yung kanilang June analytics. This is the analytics of X-Stocks sa June. Okay, so dun at CX minting redeeming volume. Ganito nakalaki yung volume nila. And basically, all of the information that you want to know is basically here. Nagsimula sila dito, pataas ang pataas yan. Palaki na ng palaki yung volume na na-generate nila. And yes guys, ito yung mga analytics ng X-Stocks. You can check it out here. As far as I can see, maganda naman. Pataas naman siya. Okay. Pataas naman yung performance ng X-Stocks. And yun nga guys, di ba? It's pretty easy to understand and to learn more about X-Stocks, especially kapag nakikita nyo siya. Okay? And yun nga guys, 24/7 market access po siya. Ayan guys, fractional ownership na rin. And of course, borderless na ito. Hindi katulad nung sa mga stocks na sinasabi natin, napakadaming cons nan. But with X-Stocks, you can easily trade. Okay, you can easily trade tokenized stocks. And it's pretty basic lang naman, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Ayun nga, meron din sila ditong proof of reserves, guys. And ayun, 'di ba? Meron din sila ditong bridge, guys. Pwede kayong mag-bridge. And yung pinakamahalaga dito is yung X points. Okay? Yung X points and yung X boost. The more you have X points, the more you have boost. And syempre, mag-click lang kayo na and basically you're all good to go lang naman. Diba? Ganun naman siya guys. Again, this is X-Stocks, X Points. Maraming salamat po. I'm Cheese Gaming. Bye-bye.